Now look at that. Look at that. Hold it on. Yes, mate.
No, I didn't think.
There you go. It's right, keep going round. Wait till it goes solid. There you go. Coming towards us. Perfect. Well done, Joe. I was going to say worst case, we get the spotter out. Well done, Joe. I am so proud how far you're going. Huh?
180.
However, it could be faster because the difference with him, I've noticed, he doesn't let off. He'll hold on until the last second. So you exactly, that's the difference.
I reckon 181. Have to move over.
The second one.
Because it's not. It's tailwind though. Yeah, just push it so you can see it when you open your arm. Oh, yeah, just let it connect first. Oh, yeah, sorry. There you go. Good luck, dude. You call it in. 7 AS.
Go on then. Good luck.
Go on, Joe. Keep going. Yeah. It's going to grass on the right hand side.
Signal lost.
That's fine, dude. I've never seen it go so far. That will be over the other runway. Yeah, go with it. Right.
It looked fast, didn't it?
Yeah, it looked it.
Fucking hell.
Your belly's in the back.
Watching it still recording.
One piece.
Yeah, it's alright. He was only rolling when he... Yeah.
There's a look at the phones, I'll tell you straight away where we're at. Okay. And the banana,
Rolling.
Yes.
Rolling. 198. Yes!